You got 1 point. Oh no. Oh no. Only one? Orange. Oh, orange win? Oh, nice. Okay. Thank you, guys. Ayan naman. Don't forget to connect, guys. Jelana said, don't forget to connect, subscribe to my channel. What you got? Is that your flower? Are you gonna put it in your garden here? Hi, hi. You can put that in your garden. Oh, how many is that? No? Yes. What flower is that? What color is that? Whoa. How many flowers you got, Jelana? You wanna learn to... Oh, that's 20 pesos. How did you have money? You got money. Where you get it? Where? Whoa. Oh, let me see. It's okay. It's plastic. It's fine. As long as it's plastic. Yeah, it's safe. Oh, thank you. Oh, can you put it on? Yeah, I think just put it here, just guard. I think that's what you do on that one. Yeah, I think you're guarding it. I think that's how you do it. Your robot. Is that your robot? Oh yeah, look at that robot. You have your own robot. Like yeah, that's like Jade and Julene robot. Oh, I think you put it there, Jelana. Jelana, it's part here. Part of that. Oh, oh, there's a sound. Oh. Oh. Thank you for subscribing. Oh, naka. Wow, good job. You wanna go now?